Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back, guys. We family. Come on in, y'all. If you haven't already, hit that notification bell. Subscribe if you haven't already. Come on and join the crew, okay? All right, guys. So as you can see, we are trying out this Lovestory synthetic wig in the color, I don't know if you want to call it gray or silver, but this is how it look. It is a 22-inch synthetic wig. In this video, you are going to be seeing me install this wig, how I try to style it to the best of my ability to try to make it look as natural and as less synthetic as possible. So that is what you're going to see here in this tutorial. In the description bar below, I will put the link of where you can purchase a wig if you're interested in buying a wig. I purchased it from Amazon. And again, this is from a company called Lovestory. So I saw this wig when I was looking at different just different wig searching, and I came across this wig. I looked at the reviews, everybody had good feedback, so I definitely wanted to try it out and see what I could do and what my opinion would be for this wig, because I definitely want to try some more synthetic wigs because I don't really keep a style in too long, so that I feel like I may benefit more from some synthetic wigs. I'm not saying that my whole collection will be synthetic, but just to have a few in my closet won't be too bad, so I definitely want to check these out. So first impressions, I did love how the wig came. It was very, I love when a company boxes and distributes their units very well. So they come in this bag. The bag included the wig, which was covered in a fishnet, and it also had the little stocking stuffer that like stuffs the wig to keep it in its shape. And I really enjoy that because once I'm finished with this unit, I like that I can have a place to store it in so that my wig drawer does not get too crazy, because then that's more of an upkeep. And especially since it's synthetic, you want to make sure you're taking care of it properly so that way you don't have too much to deal with if it gets tangled up from just being thrown around. So I'm definitely glad, and I love that they did this. So thank you, Lovestory. One thing I did deal with, which I don't know if it's because I plucked a little bit of the frontal or the fact that I did cut it in layers, that I had a lot of it's like more shedding than I feel like I would normally have doing it with human hair. But overall, that's really not a big deal or issue because I still love the way it looks. This is really, it's really nice. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling it. So I'm definitely looking forward to going out today and take some pictures with this. But y'all, for the most part, this is the wig. And you want to see how I installed it, just continue to watch this video. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And don't forget to thumbs up. This is how the package comes. Has the Lovestory on the front, type of lace wig it is. So this wig comes with a wig cap, which is good because I really don't want to do no extra braids than what I got going on. It is a 22-inch wig, and it is a, I don't know if you want to call it gray or silver. Oh, it's a lot of static on here. I have to put a little, look at that static. Oh my gosh, but look at the hair though. This was different, I know. I know, y'all. I know. I like Jackie. I'm like, okay. So this is how, I don't even understand the type of static that's coming out of this wig right now. I'm about to put something on there. This is how it looks straight out the bag. Let me see. This is how it is. You got two combs in the inside, one in the bottom, and then you have an adjustable strap on it as well. It looks like I have some baby hair laid out, but I am not a baby hair fan. But yeah, you can see like a little baby hair. But this lace definitely needs some love. I'm just trying to see how the parting of this looks. Not the parting, but the root part. Like this is how the front of it looks. It's a little bit too full for me. So I'm gonna pluck it a little bit. So let me go pluck it, the edges a little bit and the part, and lay this down so we can apply it, and I'll be back so we can do the actual wig application. So because the lace is not my complexion, we're gonna go in with the Black Radiance finishing powder, and we're gonna apply that to the lace to try to match it to the closest tone so we can apply it. think I'm gonna have to keep applying it, so I'm gonna come back once I'm finished with that. And then I know y'all are like, girl, you keep coming back. Okay, when I officially come back, we're gonna be ready to put this on. To start this process here, I'm going to put the wig cap on. It did come with the wig cap, which is good because I honestly don't want to like do no real like wig applications right now. And this thing tight. This probably will be the best thing for me right now. So let's push it back. So just gonna go in and like color the top right here though. So that way where the part will be, it won't be that bad. To apply this wig, we'll be going in with our boho liquid gold and our lace jelly to lay the hair back, or any loose pieces of your hair that are just hanging out. We're going to use the gel to slick that. All right, so what I'm going to do is apply the liquid boho to the outer edges so that I can get ready to apply this wig. Okay, so now that we got the wig laid in the areas I want it to be laid at, I am going to, yeah, it's got to sit a little bit because it's like still. Yeah. Just gonna put my headband on so that they could lay it down. I'm just using some care stick to like lay the part area down. But they were saying like you can use a straightener, and like from where it was in a pack where it was folded up because it was so long, it's like bended. So I want to see if I can possibly straighten it, but I'm going to take a piece from the back just in case I can't. then I ain't, you know, I ain't gonna be crying about it. Messed up my hair. So this little piece right here, we're gonna try to see how it looks. And I do have it on the lowest setting. So like for mine, the lowest it has is 250. So that's what I'm using it to straighten out the pieces. But so if you have a different brand, your watts may be different. So definitely just go to the lowest setting when you're dealing with synthetic hair. There we go. Okay. You can see some places are like getting better. I don't want to hold it too long, just in case. This hair is very staticky. Okay. Look at us, got some straight hair. Okay. So the band is off and now I'm about to cut my lace. I always do the 3 pieces because it makes it easier to cut and, you know, achieve that natural look, or as close as natural look as possible. One thing about this wig, this thing will shed if you cut it. Like, I plucked some, it started shedding. When I tweezed it was like shedding like crazy. Like, so just be prepared if you are like me, want to like try to make it as natural as possible. Try to make it look like it's not a synthetic wig. Like, just be mindful that it sheds. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it a little bit, so I'm sorry. Yeah, we need to cut it some more. Running bends on a regular. Hit my plug on a celly. Yeah. I feel like the layers is gonna really give it like a more natural look, because now that I can use my straightener a little bit, we're gonna bend it. Yeah. See? Yeah. Cause I can see, that gives it like, oh, this is real hair. No, baby, it's synthetic. But you would never know. Let's keep cutting. Okay, we got it. We looking like something. Oh, like, I might have to go pull out my comb for this one. Okay, let's finish cutting the layers so we can style the middle and be done with the look. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did and you made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you. And I'll see you guys in the next video.